Is Wi-Fi not working on your brand new MacBook Neo? Maybe the network isn't showing up, or it shows up but won't connect. Or it says connected, but there's no internet, or perhaps it keeps dropping randomly. macOS Tahoe has a few specific network bugs, but don't worry, they are easy to fix. If the network name is not showing up, let's try the basics. Toggle it off for 5 seconds, then back on. At the same time, if you can, restart your router and make sure it's compatible with a newer device like the MacBook Neo. So, let's say the name appears, but it's not connecting. Make sure you're typing in the correct password while you're trying to connect. If it's still not connecting, just restart your Mac Neo once. Let's say it's connected, but showing connected without internet or no internet available. The culprit might actually be the incorrect date and time. Go to System Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure Set Date and Time Automatically is toggled on. It sounds simple, but this fixes about 40% of Neo connection issues. If your problem is it's connected but keeps dropping randomly, first make sure Mac Neo is in the range of your router. If your browser is slow but other apps are fine, your ISP's DNS might be the bottleneck. Head back to Wi-Fi Settings, click Details, go to DNS, click the plus icon and add 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public servers. They're usually much faster and more reliable than standard provider settings. If that even doesn't work, we need to forget the network and then reconnect. Go to System Settings, Wi-Fi, click Details next to your network, and hit Forget this network. Re-enter your password and newly reconnect with your Wi-Fi network. These should fix the issue. But if Wi-Fi keeps acting up, you can use the Neo's built-in Pro tool to check if it's something serious. Hold the Option key on your keyboard and click the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Select Open Wireless Diagnostics. Follow the on-screen prompts and run the test. Then macOS will literally tell you if there's signal interference from other devices in your room or there might be any other problem that you've overlooked. Hopefully, one of these steps should get your Wi-Fi back up and running. Thanks for your time.